Hello friend, welcome to Ayurveda Mentor. I am Dr. Vikramaditya Tomar from India. Today, I want to discuss with you about a weight loss remedy. This home remedy you can use within 2 minutes. It will take hardly 2 minutes and it will help you in achieving natural weight loss. It will help you in burning extra pounds of fat that you have accumulated over months and years. And this will be a great practice for you to adopt throughout your life. I will tell you 5 different variants of this practice, and you will use water in different manners to make drinks that will help you to stay fit, slim and healthy. I suggest you to try each of them every day for first 5 days. Then you can settle down with one or two of these options that will be more suitable for you. Let's start with day 1. I suggest you to use a glass of warm or lukewarm water. You can use water when you get up in the morning and second time in the evening. Lukewarm water is a kind of universal thing. Any person can use it in any condition, any weather you can use it. This will be great for your health. Like water, or especially when it is warm or lukewarm, it has a detoxifying, a cleansing ability, and it also helps you to digest better. So whatever food you will be eating, it will have a chance to be digested easily, more comfortably and a full manner when you are using lukewarm water. This will be a good practice for your bowel habits also. Welcome to day 2. Today I ask you to use lukewarm water and you can mix 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Mix it well and you can drink it 2, 3 or 4 times. It will be a great boost for your first recipe when you are taking only lukewarm water. Honey is very famous natural food. It possesses a lot of rejuvenative and nutritive properties. But there is one very important consideration about honey when you want to take it for natural weight loss. This consideration is based upon Ayurveda wisdom and you should follow it when you want to use honey for weight loss. I suggest you to check the manufacturing date or packaging date on the honey. This is very important. When you are using honey that is less than 1 year old, it means it is having lot of nutritive properties. It will be good for your kids, good for elder person or anybody who doesn't have a concern, who doesn't have any health issue regarding to their weight. But if you want to lose weight, you should use honey that is at least 1 year old or older than that. This will be helpful for you in achieving weight loss. Welcome to day 3. Today you will use lukewarm water plus 1 tablespoon of honey plus fresh lemon juice from half lemon. This will be a good drink. It will be mildly sweet, mildly sour. It will be very pleasant. You can use it 2 times. Once when you get up and second during the evening. Good. We have moved to day 4. Today I suggest you to add powder of either black pepper or trikatu. Trikatu means triplet of pungent herbs. There are 3 herbs in Ayurveda. Dried ginger. Do not use fresh ginger. Always use dried ginger. Dried ginger, black pepper and long pepper. You can mix their powder in equal quantity. It is usually available in many Ayurveda stores. But if you don't think that it would be available, you can use only black pepper. So you will add 1/4 to half teaspoonful of black pepper to this drink. So it will be lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of honey, fresh lemon juice from half lemon and 1/4 to half teaspoonful of black pepper powder or srikatu powder. So it will be feeling like a bit of pungent. You will have sweet taste, you will have this sour taste, and you will have pungent taste. So for some people it might feel very good. For some they just think that it's okay, it doesn't matter. So but if you are taking it for weight loss, this addition is very important. Black pepper or these other pungent herbs, these have several benefits. First, they will be working on your digestive system. They are working like stimulant. They have a cleansing and stimulant property on your stomach and intestine. Second, they help you to absorb vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that you are getting from food. So, third, they will be assisting you in boosting up, in uplifting the metabolism. This is a great property of these kind of pungent spices. So you can use this recipe twice or thrice a day. Great. We have come to day 5. Today you will use the recipe that I told you on day 4, but you won't use lemon juice. You will use only 1 glass of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and black pepper or srikatu powder. So this will give you a different kind of taste. So now I have given you 5 different variants of this recipe or home remedies for natural weight loss. You can use any of them, and I want you to stick with 1 or 2 of them regularly. You will use them regularly at least 2 times a day. Once in the morning, second during the evening. You can also use up to 3 or 4 times. But when you are using black pepper or srikatu powder, you have to take care. You don't need to use them more than 3 times a day. Some persons who are having common digestive complaints like hyperacidity or ulcer inside the stomach, they have to take special precautions. They can start with little bit, like 1/8 or 1/8 teaspoonful of black pepper powder instead of 1/4. So they can gradually build up their capacity, and they should see whatever is tolerable to their system. Use only that much of black pepper or srikatu powder. This is the only consideration that you have to take care. I will love to point about one pattern in eating or when you are dining out. When I visited European countries, I have seen this pattern like very common pattern, and I am very surprised to see this pattern growing up fast in India. And I think this is a industrial practice, like modern food industry, they are promoting this culture. So when you go out, you will see that people are using chilled water and they are putting ice cube also, or they are using other soft drinks with ice cubes, and they are using this chilled water or soft drink when they are eating. They are having lunch or dinner or snack. This is a very bad practice. When you are using chilled water, it is disturbing your digestive process. It is affecting your digestion in an adverse manner, and when you use this practice over a period of time, your metabolism, it also slows down. So I suggest you that whenever you are dining out, you should prefer normal water at room temperature. This will be one of the best practice for you. Remember, when you want to achieve weight loss, you have to take care of your meals. Always prefer balanced diet. Do a lot of physical activity. This will be helpful in burning fat, and at the same time you can use some herbs. I developed My Slim Body, one of the Ayurvedic herbal supplements that is having herbs that are working on different levels like your digestion, your metabolism, fat metabolism, sugar metabolism, cleansing, detox. So I invite you to visit my website www.holistic-herbalist.net, and you can find information about my slim body. If you want to use this herb, you are most welcome. Finally, I wish you better health and greater happiness now and always. Stay in best of your shape, have lot of energy and enthusiasm for life. Thanks and regards.